And now we're ready for the next step. I'm using these small pots this year to save myself soil.
So what
And,
size are they?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know, 4
2
inches?
No, they're not 4 inches. About 3.5, maybe 3 by 2 by 2.
Ah, okay.
And so with that, I can get 32 in each flat.
Oh, okay. That's great.
But it's a little bit small for big rhododendron cuttings and are ideal for small ones.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to have, because I don't want to use up a lot of bench space,
Yeah.
use these smaller ones. Now, Bruce, my neighbor, made me this little jig here to
Oh,
go
yeah.
on top. It just sits perfectly in the pot.
Oh, that's great.
It doesn't slide off.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what I'm doing now. I'm putting soil in each pot, but I need to make sure that the soil goes down to the very bottom. So, having a little trouble there. So when I take a pot out, I just take a handful, a couple handfuls, and then I use my four of my fingers to push the soil down a bit. So,
Great. Yep.
and that's all I'm doing for a while. I'm going to fill up this flat, and after I fill up the flat, I will soak them in water. I'll put them in overnight, so that the soil will drink it up, and maybe I'll sprinkle a little bit of water on the soil, and then tomorrow they'll be ready for use and we'll pick that up tomorrow.
Okay, great.
All right, this is
Good.
going to take me a while.
Yeah. That's good, but then
But
it's a
it's-
hobby, so you don't have
It's
to.
part of the fun.
That's right. That looks like
There we
fun.
go. You see, I get it all the way down to the bottom, and
Yep.
the soil. Otherwise, if I don't do that, I'll show you what happens. See, they're loose,
Yeah, yeah.
and that's why Bruce made me this, so I could do that.
That's very good.
Okay.
Custom made.
Yeah, and some
Bruce
of,
lives over there.
and I'll probably use taller pots in another flat, but this particular one, I'm going to take the smallest rhododendrons I have and propagate them in here.
Okay, good.
More on this tomorrow.
Yeah, when there's more light. It's late in the day here.
Yeah, can't wait for supper.
Yeah.
Why is there no hockey?